Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Dicorain Electric Heated Lunchbox. I've taken everything out of the box so I can show you. I really like that they give you two cords, one for your car and one for your home. I thought this was a cool feature. In the top, they give you two little spots to put some utensils. That is neat. Good idea. Take the lid off and you have your main heated compartment, which is a good sized little tray. That main tray is easily removable for cleaning. And there's your main heated compartment. And right here is the port where you plug your heated lunchbox in. And here's a look at the two cords, and like I said earlier, I think this is a great feature. Plug it in your vehicle or your home. It's got 4 snaps on the top to keep everything secure, so even if it did tip over, it's not going to spill out. It has a convenient little carry case, fits perfectly inside there, and it's got a little storage pocket. And it's got the reflective material inside, which will help keep everything hot or cold, whichever the case will be. So this is a fantastic little electric lunchbox. Hey, if you're looking at this heated lunchbox for yourself, I hope you found my video helpful.